Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Grammarly's new AI tools. So Grammarly just got smarter. With brand new AI tools, you can now write, rewrite, and polish your text faster than ever. And here I'm going to show you how you can use Grammarly new AI features to improve your English instantly. So first you can just open Grammarly. You can go to the Grammarly page and upload your docs, or you can also just open, for example, Google Docs and enable the extensions on your browser. So in here, as you guys can see, once I open the docs on Grammarly, it will be there will be this new feature, AI chat. So by using AI chat or AI agents here, Grammarly can proofread your docs for you, and you can also get feedback inspired by the expert. And here you can also do a humanizer. You can choose how you want to sound, and there's also this reader reactions. You can see what your readers may think about your docs. So in here, for example, I'm going to ask the AI to proofreader. In here you can click on it. So as you guys can see, there will be this writing quality 40 out of 100. So the abstract outlines the study and findings, but some sentences may be more concise and precise. And in here there will be also this Grammarly will offer you some fix in here. If you want to accept the one that Grammarly fix, you can just click on accept or dismiss. Let's click on accept in here, and here you can see improve accuracy and also clarity. And again, you can click on accept if you want to correct your docs according to what the Grammarly suggests. Here there will be this. There's also refine word choice, strengthen academic tone, or shorten long sentences. So if you want to also get a more feature, you need to unlock the Grammarly Pro in here. But this one is pretty good, as you guys can see in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.